Having computer troubles? Finding the right company to fix your computer is an important decision and something that should not be taken lightly. If you're like most people, you have concerns and questions that you'd like answered before choosing a computer repair company. And we want to help by giving you the free report and checklist titled How to Find the Right Computer Repair Company. This report provides a list of questions you should ask, and it contains a checklist to help you make the best decision possible. This guide is truly a must-have for anyone who needs their computer or other electronic devices fixed. To get your free report, simply complete the form on this page and download it now.